What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be trying to install the new bumper for the Sc400. I've already got the rear bumper installed. It fits up pretty nice, honestly. I mean, it's not perfect. Obviously the car's pretty dirty. The only issue is like right here. It kind of pokes out some. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, see that? Not a big fan of that, but I think I might be able to fix that. Not sure. But something bad happened with this bumper during shipping. It's cracked pretty bad. So hopefully we can fix that once we get the bumper on the car. But first, I need to move the truck back and move this thing back so I can get some room. Got the truck moved, so now it's time to move the Lexus. Let's get a cold start. Ooh, gotta love that cold start, baby. Yes, sir. She's leaking a little bit of oil. Actually, that's not really all from this car. Some of it is, but a lot of that is from doing a ZX. Me showing you that probably hurt your feelings a little bit, but don't worry. The 300ZX will be back one day. It's kind of just like, yeah, the jack's not touching it. The bumper's on top. The bumper's not touching the paint. Don't worry. And then it's got some trash in the engine bay. VG's sitting over here in the corner, and I still have the LS chilling on the engine stand waiting on a machine shop to get it done. But I just haven't been super pressed about getting that done because I'm just enjoying this car and I love how everything is going with this car. So my focus has predominantly been on this car. I just really enjoy this car. It's probably one of my dream cars. And I just want to get this car looking nice. And then we'll start working on 300 ZX again. It's just gonna be such a long process versus like this is running, driving, it's fun, has AC. It's not really a race car. This is a fun street car. This is gonna be a full-on race car. So they're kind of like in two different classes for like reasons to build them. Like I just wanna drift this car. This car, I like driving around as like a, I don't know, like a daily street car. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. But without further ado, let's take off this bumper. So the cool thing I did with this bumper is actually I made it a quick release bumper because it's so low I can't get it on any trailers or anything like that. And yes, I've been on a couple trailers with this car. And when I was doing all the intercooler work, I was taking the bumper off a lot. So pretty much to take this bumper off, it's super simple. You just have to come over here, press this clip in like that, one clip. Then you got the next clip, if I can get it, like that. Go over here into your car, pop the hood, if I can find it. There we go, got it. Hood's popped. Oh, I bought new struts too, so the shit's legit. Let's go. And basically just pull right here. You gotta undo all these clips. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'm gonna show you how to take the bumper off. All right, now that all the lights are taken off, I did not unbolt anything else. Basically, it's only held on by that quick release and the other quick release. The only reason it's down right now is because I had to pull all the lights out. But yeah, so basically you just grab it here. Actually, no. Come over here, make sure it's all the way off of that, like that. Well, actually it just slides off. And basically you just, and yeah, come over here. Make sure it's off of this. Sometimes likes to get caught. And your bumper's off. And we're gonna move this one over here, out of the way, because we shouldn't need that one. All right, now that we got the front bumper off, it's time to try to fit that bumper up. This light needs to be fixed. I broke the clip right here. So it's kind of, you know, barely holding on, but so far so good. Just a little to show you guys the intercooler piping. It was not fun to run all this. It's tucked right underneath the light. It was a pain in the ass to run this intercooler, but it makes this car feel so much better. But yeah, let's put the bumper on. Just tried to mount the bumper and it was not going at all because of the under part right here was hitting on the intercooler piping on that side. So I'm gonna get the Dremel, cut this all out, and then try to put this bumper on. Look at that Pro Charger. Oh yeah. All right guys, let's start cutting. All right guys, hopefully that is good enough. Let's try to get this bumper on. That was stupid. Just cracked it even more. Alright guys, so after a long time, finally got the bumper on. I'm just gonna keep it, I'm not gonna talk crap, but did not fit it how I was hoping it was gonna fit, and it doesn't look how I was hoping it's gonna look. But I mean, it is what it is. There's it on. It looks good as a whole. There's a couple places I don't like how this flares out more than this. As you can see, if you just look simply right there. And not a big fan, but I mean, you get a cheap fiberglass bumper, you know, you kind of expect these things. Hopefully it's something I can try to pull out with a heat gun and get it to cure out and flare. If not, it is what it is. I want to do an F-Sport front end, to be honest with you guys, so I'm not super concerned about this. The rear bumper was actually my main concern, and that looks amazing. Side skirts will be going on soon, so be looking out for that video because that's definitely going on soon. And we'll get to see how this whole kit looks, but just a kind of a walk around. It looks pretty good. It's not terrible. For the money, it's really not that bad. I'll show you guys the rear again. Not too bad. There's still some imperfections like in the line right here. It's not perfect, but hopefully I can get that fixed. Hopefully when the side skirts are on, everything will just go together. And also, you already know we're getting this thing painted. Already talking to the paint guy, not spray painting it like this car. I'm gonna get it professionally painted by my boy Mitch over at the shop. He does really good work. So yeah, the color I still haven't decided on, so I'm not even like not telling you guys. But it's gonna be white. So the car's gonna be white. It's just gonna be a white with pearl. I don't know if I wanna do a yellowish white or a super bright white. So you know, if you got some paint codes you wanna drop in the comments and let me know what color I should go with. Like this is super white. This is like that pearl white. That's not like super bright white. I'm thinking I want that shit bright white. But I don't know yet. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Peace out, guys.